Want your customers' gift cards to arrive right on the big day? A birthday, an anniversary, or Christmas morning? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to let shoppers schedule gift card delivery for any future date using the WebToffee Gift Cards plugin. First, the one-time setup. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Gift Cards, then Settings, and open the General tab. This is where you turn on scheduling for your store. Under Allow Users to, make sure Email to Recipient is ticked. Scheduling only works for emailed gift cards, not printed ones. Next, enable Allow Users to schedule. Then pick your time format, 12 or 24 hour, and save your changes. That's the admin side done. Now let's see it from the customer's side. Open a gift card product on your store. The shopper chooses Email to Recipient, enters the recipient's name and email, adds a personal message, and picks the amount. Here's the scheduling part. By default, Send Today is ticked. Uncheck it, and a date picker appears. The customer chooses the delivery date, say the recipient's birthday, sets the time, and adds the gift card to the cart. Then they check out as normal. And that's the magic. Instead of sending right away, the gift card email is held and delivered automatically on the scheduled date. So it lands in the recipient's inbox on their birthday. No reminders, no manual sending. And that's how you schedule gift cards for birthdays and holidays. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials. Thanks for watching.